In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to gift someone Steam points. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about Steam points and how you can indirectly gift them to someone. The reason why I say indirectly is because as of today, you cannot simply transfer them over to a friend or a random person. However, you will be able to exchange them by using the award system. So I'm gonna teach you how to do this through the website, but you can follow along through the launcher if you prefer. So the way in which we are going to do this is by gifting someone an award through Steam. So when you go over to any of the Steam community features, for example, reviews, discussions on the forums, and any sort of post, you might be able to find the award option. So an example here, on the Dark Souls Remastered page, I'm able to scroll down into the reviews. I can sort by recent reviews and so on, and if I click on the award button, I'll be able to send them an award for this review that they've made. Use your Steam points to emphasize this review and grant the reviewer bonus points. So this is the exchange rate. Basically, the person that you gift an award to will have the award under the community post and they will get a third of the original cost. So if you use an award that costs 600 Steam points, that person is going to get 200 of those points, and so on. So all that you have to do is choose any of these. And if you want to gift it to a specific friend, you simply have to ask them to do a review or to post something on the forums. Then you find their post. So let's say, for example, this post made 2 minutes ago was made by a friend of mine and I wanted to gift them my Steam points. I would just click here. Their profile would be here for me to confirm. Go to the award icon and then choose the specific award. And through this method, you will be able to indirectly give your friends Steam points. I hope I was able to help you on how to gift someone Steam points. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.